Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It's been about 2 weeks since we flipped 3 of my raised beds, and I'm going to show you what's going on with them since that time and possibly flipped another one. Okay, in this first raised bed, we had originally collards, and I guess because of the heat, they didn't do as well as I thought they would, but we were able to get 2 or 3 decent pickings from them. Here we have some peaches and cream sweet corn, and we also on the right have green beans. And so far, so good. Everything seems to have come up pretty well, and they're growing. If you remember, the corn is the second planting. We did that on. We were going to do it anyway, but we did it on probably. It came in handy to go ahead and do it because the first planting was blown over in back-to-back thunderstorms. And this is the second bed that we flipped. Originally, it had 3 variety of beans in, black-eyed peas, purple whole peas, and Italian green beans. Here, it has nothing but black-eyed peas. And as you can see, we have almost a complete germination, 100% germination. The ones on the right are the only ones that haven't germinated completely, but I'm happy with what I got. So we should be able to get, if everything goes according to plan, have a decent harvest rather, several decent harvests of black-eyed peas, and we can store them for future use. This bed had tomatoes and green beans in, and the tomatoes got overran rather with worms. So I removed them and everything else that was in the bed. I planted some green beans. I guess the seeds were old, and some cucumbers as well. And nothing has come up whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead and plant some more, a different variety of cucumbers in here today. And I'm not sure what else I'll companion plant with it, but I'll film it and let you see what it is. Okay, what you're looking at are cherry tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and pull the remaining green ones off and cut down the plants. I think the plants may have blight or some type of disease. They're not looking their best. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out. And then I'm going to go ahead and plant some determinate tomatoes in their place. Hey, these are Provider bush beans that I got from Bentley Seeds. I'm going to plant 2 double rows of them. And I have my trusty hand claw glove on. Help me with the rows. So we have the rows dug, and I'm going to try to space them out. It says I can put them as close as 2 inches apart from each other. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now we're going to do the other row. And now we're going to cover them up. Okay, we got the green beans in. Now we're going to plant some cucumbers. Okay, on this side of the bed, I'm going to plant about 4 to 5 marketer cucumbers. And I believe I got these from Seeds Now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're going to do 6. We'll try to put the rest back in. And we're going to cover them up. Okay, then go get a label for these and stick it in. And then, okay, so we went ahead and removed the cherry tomatoes. And in my hand, I have 3 determinate tomatoes that I'm going to plant in their place. One is the dwarf almondine. One is the Rosella crimson. And the last one is the Yukon Quest. I got these from Tomato Fest. And all of these are supposed to be heirloom tomatoes and disease resistant. So we're going to go ahead and direct sow seeds here as opposed to what I normally do. Start them in starter cups, let them grow, and then put them out. So the first one we're going to do is the Yukon Quest. We're going to put it right here. So in each hole that I'm going to do, I'm going to drop 3 seeds in. Then cover it up and put their label there. And the rest of these we put back in the container, or envelope rather. The next one we're going to do is the Rosella Crimson, and we'll put it right here. Got 3 exactly. Drop that there. Put the label. And the last one is the dwarf almondine, and we're going to put this one here. Now, hopefully these will germinate and grow, produce fruit, and I'll have a late season variety, 3 varieties of tomatoes. Now, these are my cucumbers planted with my okra. They are still doing well and still producing. However, the plants are starting to die back, which is why I wanted a second planting of cucumbers. These have done phenomenal and produced a lot of cucumbers. I've been able to make pickles, and I'm going to be making relish, sweet relish soon. I'll try to videotape that. I've given some away to my mother-in-law and my aunt. So all in all, very, very productive plants. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I gave you an update on the beds that were flipped, and also did some flipping in my long bed and planting more plants. Hopefully you got something out of it and you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, continue to grow, 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 stay strong, and stay blessed. We'll see you in the next one.